Alright guys, we got everything installed. The box is all in, the speakers are all installed. Let's give you guys a look. I've already been out to play a little bit. I'll show you what we got, guys. This is what we did. Just went ahead and hooked everything up. I got it all installed. It works, it runs. It's not really the way I wanted it. I didn't go into the detail that I wanted to. It's fine, I'm happy with it. And like I said, it's still tremendous in here. Crazy in here. Here it is. It's the first look, all 4 of them installed. We left the battery there, same place. We ran these out. As you can see, we had the 3 amps back here, the 2 caps. This is all the same. That's what we got, guys. The truck's not on. Nothing is on right now. I figured I'd just give you another glimpse here. I've already been out to play, and like I said, it is tremendous. I did have to do one other thing to the box here. I've got all my speakers sealed up, and you can still see I cleaned up around these when I pressed them in, but as they're sealing and seating, that seal is still coming loose or coming out a little bit, which is good. That means that, that it's sealing up the way it's supposed to be over pressure, but I have to clean these up again. The ports here, the boards that are in these slats, it just wasn't solid enough, so I don't know if you can still see my trace lines a little bit. I tried to get rid of most of them. I used this to grease pen, and I marked off the center of where this board's going to lay, and then it ended up coming out 15 to like this point, so I went right here just a quarter back, so that way I got a straight line there, and the board comes down to about right here, which I think was like 12 or 13 inches, so I knew not to put a screw in, but put a couple screws here, and here, just to solid these up a bit on both sides so I don't hear those rattle and vibrate. I'm going to take some of my wood glue. I have Gorilla wood glue, and I'm going to seal this up again, make sure that that's good and the way I want it to be. It looked like it was sealed when I put it in. It looked like they glued everything, but it doesn't seem to be really the way I want it to be exactly. So, I solid it up a little bit. I'm going to put some glue in there. I did seal the inside of this box before I put it in. I put the glue in and made it real good and tight, and then I ran some silicone over top of the glue once it dried. Backs of these are sealed, glued in, so that way I'm not losing air through here. I'm making sure that it's good and tight, so when it hits, all my air is coming through here. It adds to the SPL. So that's what we got, guys. That's what we're going to ride so far. Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot more to come. And this is just beginning back here. I do want to get a chance maybe to get an audio clip of this. I may not be able to get that clip for a while. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.